Judge, I told all the people that was living under us that I was having a party in my house and making a whole lot of fuss. I said, ain't no use to you coming upstairs and knocking, because everybody be having a ball and the whole house will be rocking. I'm letting the doorbell ring. Yes, I'm letting my doorbell ring, people. Well, now, I say everybody better come on in the room and let's have some fun, because I'm letting my doorbell ring. The landlord knocked on my door. He says, you're making too much noise. I says, come on in the room, Mr. Landlord, and have some fun with the boys. The old man looked around. He says, give me time to think. He ducked in the kitchen. He says, what you got to drink? I'm letting my doorbell ring.